can now cut out anything in Illustrator with just one click, and honestly, the results are flipping insane. Graphic designers rejoice. I've wanted this feature for so long. Right, so I'm in the Illustrator beta, which you can download if you have a subscription to Creative Cloud. And you can see I've got an image here. La 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 la. Now there's a few different ways you can access this feature. Over here in the properties panel, you've got remove background. Down here on this contextual taskbar thing, you've got it. I don't really like this, so I keep this hidden. So if you're like me and you don't want that panel at the bottom, you can find it under the object menu. Simply select the image, go down to remove background, give it a click, make a cup of tea while it does its thing. As you can see here, I've got a bicycle with spokes that are almost indistinguishable from the background. And there we go. Would you look at that? That is flipping insane. So it's like they brought the new select subject from Photoshop over to Illustrator. I mean, look at that. Every single spoke, like the chain, the shoes. Look at all this. This is absolutely insane. We've got this bit here, even around the bag, all the wires here and all the bike bits. I don't know. I'm not a bike specialist. Even the bear. We've got a pretty decent cutout around the edge. That is honestly really impressive. And if you did want to go one step further and say, sorry, Paddington, we're going to get rid of you, what we could do is we could press N for the pencil tool and we could just draw a really terrible shape around the bike or around the bear, whatever you like. So there we go. Fantastic. And then we can just select the image that's now cut out and this terrible shape. Make sure the terrible shape is on top and then press Command or Control 7. And that is the keyboard shortcut to add a clipping mask. And now we have our bike on its own and we can do whatever we like. We can rotate it around. Hey! All right, Dan, calm down. Stop being a clown.